And now to that massive winter storm causing havoc across the country. Ice and snow are in the forecast from the Rockies all the way to New England. Good afternoon. I'm Justin Warmoth. Bridget has the day off. More than 95 million Americans are under winter weather warnings or advisories as that storm pushes northeast. Now the number of canceled flights is growing across the country, and it's creating headaches at Orlando International Airport. News 6's Ezzy Castro is at the airport with reaction from passengers.
For a second day in a row, several passengers here at Orlando International Airport got their flights canceled, all due to that winter storm. But some of the passengers we spoke to today say they consider themselves lucky.
It was 21 degrees last time I checked.
And snow?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go back to that?
Nope.
Leroy West and his wife had a layover at Orlando International Airport. The two immediately checked their flight status to New York today, which was on time, but say they are not looking forward to the winter storm that's slamming the Northeast.
We have to hibernate a lot. School's closing, so it's a lot of homeschooling for our children.
The storm has brought snow and ice from Texas all the way up to Maine. It's grounded thousands of flights around the country, including here in Orlando. Over 100 flights were canceled yesterday and more than 80 today, with some dealing with delays.
So it started, I guess they had freezing rain, then got a couple inches of sleet on top of that, and now it's snowing.
There's supposed to be snow everywhere. My family's in Indiana, so we're like right there close to each other. So everything's just a mess right now.
So if you have a flight today or even tomorrow, officials here at the airport say make sure you check your flight status ahead of time. At Orlando International Airport, Ezzy Castro getting results, News 6.